ride.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Thank you, and enjoy your ride on Verbolten.
Let's go. Front row POV on Verbolten. Forbidden turn. Actually, I'll press it. Front row POV on Verbolten. Forbidden turn. I'm so excited. Here we go.
Let's go, dude.
Woo! Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. We're going the wrong way. No fog though. Dang. That's fine. Here we go! Wow! Oh, jeez! Oh! Oh, shoot! Uh-oh. Oh, whoa, I didn't know this was here. Oh my gosh. Whoa! The old car. Oh, I see the big tree now.
Don't turn right, don't turn right, don't turn right.
Oh, dude, there she is.
Don't turn right, don't turn right.
Is she gonna jump scare us?
5, I said, you have to give me 5 stars.
Oh! Oh my god! Bro, that scared the crap out of me. No way.
Now go on, back to the garage.
Here we go! Oh my gosh. Oh, good. Oh my god. One ride on. Here we go. Rough right there, okay. Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, Verbolten Forbidden Turn! What a time.